If your screen feels too bright at night, even with the brightness turned all the way down, the fix isn't a lower brightness level. It's two specific settings most people never turn on. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find them and why using them together makes the biggest difference. For this tutorial, I'll be using Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but you'll find both of these settings on most of recent Galaxy phones. Sometimes, even at the lowest brightness settings, your screen still feels too bright, especially at night with the lights off. For situations like this, Samsung has a setting called Extra Dim. You can find it through the Settings app. Navigate to the Settings. Scroll down until you find Accessibility. Then Vision Enhancements. Inside Vision Enhancement, scroll down until you find Extra Dim. Tap on it to enable. As soon as you turn this option on, you should notice the screen becoming even darker than the normal minimum brightness level. This can be useful when you are reading in bed or checking your phone in a completely dark room, because it makes the screen more comfortable to look at. The other very important option that we need to turn on at night is the Eye Comfort Shield. To access this, let's go back to the settings. Scroll down until you find Display. Tap on it. Inside Display, scroll down and look for Eye Comfort Shield. Then toggle this option on. This option reduces the blue light coming from your screen and gives everything a warmer tone. Using Extra Dim together with Eye Comfort Shield at night is one of the best combinations for cutting down eye strain before you go to sleep. I would recommend turning both options on in the evening. During the day, if you need accurate colors on your screen, you can toggle off the Eye Comfort Shield. The quickest way to turn Eye Comfort Shield on or off is through the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the Quick Settings. Then tap and hold inside this group of icons and swipe down again to expand the panel and reveal more options. Look for the Eye Comfort Shield. In my case, this is the Eye Comfort Shield control option. Tap on it to turn it on or off. Now here's one important thing you should know about screen brightness. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has an extremely brightness display, which is great when you are outside in direct sunlight and need to see the screen clearly. But there's one thing you should keep in mind. If you manually push the brightness all the way to the maximum level and leave it there, even when you are indoors, your phone will use more battery than necessary. Keeping an OLED screen at a very high brightness for long periods, especially while displaying the same static elements, can also increase the risk of uneven screen wear or burn-in over time. So instead of trying to choose the right brightness level yourself throughout the day, enable the adaptive brightness. This way, your phone will use its light sensor to adjust the screen automatically. When you go outside into the brightness sunlight, it can increase the brightness to make your screen easier to see. Then, when you go back indoors, it reduces the brightness again. This gives you the brightness you need when you need it, while helping you avoid unnecessary battery use. And that's how you cut down eye strain on Galaxy phone before bed. Extra Dim for a darker minimum brightness and Eye Comfort Shield to reduce the blue light and warm things up. Turn both on in the evening and you will notice a real difference in how comfortable your screen feels. If you want a complete breakdown on every brightness setting on your Galaxy phone, including how to protect your battery and avoid screen burn-in, I've got the full guide linked on one of the cards on the screen and in the description section of this video. Go check it out next. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.